Welcome to Get Glimpse channel. Connecting your Meta Pixel, formerly Facebook Pixel, to your Shopify store is fundamental for anyone running ads on Facebook, Instagram, or any Meta property. It's the bridge that allows Meta to track visitor actions on your website, providing crucial data for optimizing ads, building audiences, and ultimately maximizing your return on investment. That is ROI. Here is a comprehensive guide to connecting your Metapixel and setting up Conversions API on Shopify. So, first, why connecting your Metapixel is crucial. Conversion tracking, track sales, add to carts, and other key events on your Shopify store, linking them back to your Meta ads. Ad optimization as well. Meta's algorithms use pixel data to deliver your ads to people most likely to take your desired action. Also, we have retargeting or remarketing. Show ads specifically to people who have visited your store but didn't complete a purchase or viewed specific products. Audience building as well. Create custom audiences based on website visitors and look-alike audiences. Dynamic product ads automatically show highly relevant product ads to people who have viewed those products on your store. Measurement and reporting. Get accurate data on your ad performance within Meta Ads Manager. We also have Conversion API, that is CAPI for accuracy. This complements the browser-based Pixel by sending data directly from your server to Meta, making tracking more reliable amidst browser restriction and even ad blockers. These are the prerequisites before you start. You need an active Shopify store. We also have Meta or Facebook business account. You must have a Meta Business Manager account. If you don't, just create one in here, which is here at business.facebook.com/overview, just the way you see it here. You also need Meta Events Manager access. You will manage your Pixel and Conversions API settings within Meta Events Manager. This is in here, business.facebook.com/events manager. You also need admin access. Ensure you have admin access to both your Shopify store and your Meta Business Manager. The first method, and this is what I would recommend, and it's also the recommended way, using Shopify's Facebook and Instagram sales channel. This is native integration with CAPI. This is the easiest and most recommended method, as Shopify handles both the Meta Pixel, that is browser side tracking, and the Conversions API, which is server side tracking automatically. The steps to it include: create your Meta Pixels if you don't have one already. So just log in to your Meta Business Suite and go to Events Manager. This is just inside here, the site here, business.facebook.com/events manager. Now click on the green plus icon for connect data sources. Select web as your data source and click connect. Choose Meta Pixel and click connect, and then name your pixel, e.g. your store name _pixel, and even enter your Shopify store's URL, and then click continue. You will be prompted to choose how to connect your website. Select setup with partner integrations and then click next. The other step is to now install the Facebook and Instagram sales channel on Shopify. From your Shopify admin, go to sales channels. This is at the left sidebar, and then click add sales channel and search for Facebook and Instagram. Now click on add sales channel and then add app. The other step is to now connect your Shopify store to Meta via the app. Once installed, the Facebook and Instagram sales channel app will open in your Shopify admin. Click Start Setup or Connect Account. Follow the prompts to connect your Facebook or Meta account. Select the relevant Facebook page for your business. Data sharing settings as well. This is where you configure your Pixel and CAPI. Enable data sharing. Toggle this to on, and then choose level, that is select maximum. This is crucial as it ensures both Meta Pixel and Conversions API data are sent, providing the most robust and accurate tracking. Now select your Meta Pixel as well. From the drop-down menu, choose the pixel you created in the first step. Now review and accept the terms. Click submit for review or complete setup. Shopify will now automatically inject the metapixel code into your store's theme and also set up the server-side conversions API integration. You don't need to manually edit your theme.liquid file or handle CAPI yourself with this method. The other step is to now verify your pixel and CAPI setup. So this is a critical step to ensure everything is working correctly. Use Metapixel Helper, that is a Chrome extension. Just download it and install the Metapixel Helper extension here from the Chrome Web Store. Just search for it right here. Then go to your Shopify store in your browser. Click the Pixel Helper icon in your browser's toolbar. It should show detected pixels and standard events like page view, view content, add to cart, initiate checkout, and purchase. Look for green check marks indicating events are firing correctly. We also need to maximize ROI with proper pixel configurations. This is a post setup. Once your pixel and CAPI are connected, here is how you to leverage them for maximum ROI. Understand data sharing levels, that is for native integration. The standard one, pixel collects basic customer behavior, that is page views, add to cart. Browser-based ad blockers can affect this. We also have enhanced where add conversions API for purchase events, sending data directly from server to server, and also less affected by ad blockers. Also sends additional customer info like email or phone for better matching. We also have maximum, which combines CAPI and pixel, sending the most comprehensive data possible, leveraging Meta's latest advertising technology for optimal matching and performance. Always choose maximum. Set up custom conversions and then prioritize your events in aggregated event measurement. Due to Apple's app tracking transparency, that is ATT framework, Meta requires you to prioritize your most important conversion events, e.g., purchase is highest priority. Also, create custom and look-alike audiences. Custom audiences based on pixel data, e.g., website visitors in the last 30 days, people who viewed a specific product, people who added to cart but didn't purchase. Use these for highly targeted retargeting campaigns. Lookalike audiences, create audiences that strategically resemble your existing customers. This helps you find new potential customers who are similar to your best existing ones. Now also run dynamic product ads, that is DPAs or DPA retargeting. Once your pixel and CAPI are properly tracking view content, add to cart, and purchase events, you can set up dynamic product ads. These ads automatically show products to people who viewed them on your side or similar products to choose to those who purchased. This requires setting up a product catalog in Meta Business Manager. Also, monitor and troubleshoot regularly. Continuously check your Events Manager dashboard for data discrepancies or issues. Use the Diagnostics tab in Events Manager for alerts on potential problems. By properly connecting your Metapixel and Conversions API via the native Shopify integration and then strategically using the data for ad targeting, optimization, and reporting, you'll significantly boost your ROI from Meta advertising campaigns. Thank you for watching. If this video was helpful, then please leave a like and subscribe to my channel for more videos like this.